Hey, how's it going out there? Old Man Reviews here. This is pole position for the Namco Museum for the Nintendo 64, and it's a racing game. Straightforward. You get to see what's coming up ahead of you, and there's some crazy turns and that, and you bump anything, and your car seems to explode. And when you prepare to qualify, which was kind of cool because it was one of the few games that actually had some sound audio besides just the bleeps and that you might normally hear from Michael Winslow in Police Academy or Spaceballs. But check it out, some interesting stuff in this game, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Prepare to qualify.